It's around here somewhere. Don't be shooting me. I'll not be happy. Is he trying to shoot the gun? I think he's next to it right there. Yeah, there it is. Unfortunately, we can't touch it. It's not... That's not implemented. You can't pick things up from space yet. Too bad. I want to take this one home. Or use it. Yeah, this is just like a really rare item that's hard to find. And these other two guys here are in the channel, and they happen to get in the same instance in the game. So we were all like looking for a wreckage, and I was the first one to find one, and it happened to have a gun. And I haven't seen the gun floating around for like a month and a half, so this is like really rare. No, right now this is a moon with an asteroid field around it, and the moon floats around. That's a gas giant bigger than Jupiter. That planet around that, and right now this is the MMO portion. It's just this one planet with a couple space stations, some missions, some pirates, like this moon. There's another portion that you could get to that's like on the ground somewhere, that's going to be like a shopping center mall eventually. This next week we think there's going to be another patch where we're finally going to be able to like buy clothes and customize the way we look. There's like a med center there where you can come back to life if you die. There's a bar. There's a place where you can get missions from. That's not quite working yet. There's a place where you can like get your ship repaired or buy used parts. That's not quite working yet. But yeah, the EVA is laggy. They're going to redo it. They're redoing it. I don't think it's going to be in next week though. But they're completely redoing the EVA. Yep, that's alpha. It's an alpha game. This is like less than 1% of the game. This is just nothing. But they're finally there's everybody wants to scream alpha now. Hey Skyrider, we found a rifle floating around the wreck somewhere. Where's the wreck? Where's the rifle at? I got a bunch of video of it. It's around here somewhere. There's 3 of us here in the stream, in the channel that are in this instance. Where the heck did the gun go? I don't know. I got pictures of it somewhere. I think it was over here. Around here somewhere. So it's so easy to get lost in space. Floating around, you don't know what direction's what. Or see over by the gun. Yep, there it is. There's the gun. just the detail on just the stupidest little thing floating in space is pretty cool. The gun's got all scratches and stuff on it. But you just pass right through it. You can't grab it. I just passed right through it. Too bad. Okay. Enough of the gun. Where's my ship? Let's go do some combat. We got people seeing the game for the first time. Where the heck did my ship go? It's got to be one of the... Oh, don't have your ship have sex with my ship. That's not right. Put some protection on, man. Come on. Let me get back in. Alright. Let's go do some combat. We found a wreck. We went, we saw, we took its picture.